This is Tolko's new D9. They had, which is over there, if you go look, was D8. They still run the D8, but now they also run the 9. They needed a bit more oomph. They needed something that could push the piles a bit higher because their footprint was getting a bit smaller. So they went with beautiful D9 with a big WBM 60 cubic yard blade. The D9 NG, or next gen, builds on everything the T-Series got right. And since roughly the 50s, like 1955, when the D9 initially came out, they've made 40,000 of these D9s.